have never done any Korean makeup look before. It will be my first time, so I don't know how it will look on me. Let's see. I have already done my base, so we'll start with the eyes. Usually I apply yellow eyeshadow as a base. This makes the other colors pop out very nicely. So I'm applying this. I'm gonna apply this in the lower lip too. After this, I'm gonna draw a line here. Ooh, it's pretty good. Let's fill this now with a brown shade. I'll be using this and this and mix this. Fill. This side. Done with the filling. Now I'm gonna apply the darker brown shade here. Just a little bit. I'm gonna apply here a white eyeshadow that has glitter. Ooh, I'm scared. I'm scared what will be the results. Let's see. I'm scared. I don't know. We are done here. Now let's do the bottom lip. Like this. Now let's highlight these parts. Applied some glitter. The eyes are done. Now let me finish the makeup, and after that I will show you the final look. So this is the final look. It's pretty hard to make this. It's not as it is, but it's okay. But this makeup is not for day-to-day go, okay? Because this is so hard to draw these fake eyelashes, but it's okay. I have done this. See you next time.
Didn't get to pick up, so I've been praying.